In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group slides in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a polished presentation for work or organizing content for a school project, grouping slides can be a valuable tool to keep your information structured and accessible. Let's dive right in and explore this simple yet effective technique. First, we need to ensure you're logged in to the right place. Head over to Google Slides by typing slides.google.com into your web browser and press enter. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Simply enter your Google account credentials and you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. This is your control center where all the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, you have the option to either start from scratch or choose from a variety of styles. You can click on a blank presentation if you want a clean slate, or if you have a vision already forming in your mind, select one of the many templates Google Slides offers. Templates can save you time and provide a professionally designed look right from the start. Now, with your presentation open, it's time to talk about the content. Select the object you want to group. This could be an image, text box, or shape, anything you've added to your slides that you want to bring together. Simply click on the object to highlight it. You'll notice a small selection box appearing around it. The next step involves a simple right click. With your mouse cursor over the selected object, click the right mouse button. A submenu will appear displaying a variety of options. This is Google Slides' version of a tool chest, filled with useful options designed to give you more control over your content. From this menu, find and click on Group. This will bind the selected objects together as one cohesive unit. A grouped object behaves like a single item, allowing you to move, resize, or apply changes to the entire group simultaneously. This not only saves you time, but keeps your slides neat and organized, ensuring your presentation is as engaging as possible. This grouping feature is incredibly convenient, especially when you're working with complex slides that have multiple components. It makes rearranging and editing so much easier. Should you ever need to ungroup the items, simply right-click on the grouped object again and select Ungroup from the menu. This will return your objects to their individual states, ready to be edited separately once more. And there you have it, a straightforward way to organize your presentations by grouping slides in Google Slides. Remember, practicing these steps a few times will make the process feel second nature. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, happy presenting, and see you in the next video.